we are doing the maintenance on this Woodway treadmill. A little different than other treadmills. This thing is a beast. So we want to attack a lot of different areas. We want to start first on this area right here because we're hearing some squeaking from this area. This is the pulley for the drive motors. The drive motors behind those 4 bolts that you see there. So this is the pulley, and we just want to lubricate that. We also notice that the squeaking is coming from the belt, so we want to go ahead and lubricate that. This is a cogged drive belt. You do not want to lubricate the drive belt on any other normal machine. This is not a normal machine, and this is the reason why we're doing this. Okay. And then we want to go ahead and lubricate the other areas of the treadmill, mostly bearings, just because the bearings are where the issues usually happen. And we're using this Teflon silicone, spray silicone, which makes it a little easier for us. So we just lubricate both sides of that bearing. And we want to do that on all 4 sides. So front left, front right, rear left, and also rear right has these bearings. So and we're also doing it while the treadmill is running. So we want to run the treadmill at about 0.1, 0.2 miles per hour, and lubricate all the areas that you see we're doing right here. We also want to lubricate the lift motor. So this is the lift motor gear, and also the chain and the bearing that goes to the incline motor. So all of that needs to be lubricated. And as you can see, the lube is kind of like just absorbed inside. That's the reason why we like it. Once done, run the treadmill, make sure it's running fine.